Hi guys, so I'm going to show you today how to create a YouTube account and how to upload videos to YouTube. I really like using YouTube because you can embed the videos onto Schoology so they don't have to um, click out. They don't have to download the video to their computer in order to view it. All they have to do on Schoology is click play for your whatever videos that you've created. So YouTube is really helpful for this because you can embed them. So this is my little YouTube. So what you're going to do is you're going to pull up YouTube and then you're going to click this sign in or create an account if you don't have an account already. So I'm going to click on that and then it's going to take you here. So if you have a Google account, if you have a Gmail account already, it will sync to your Google account super easy, no hassle at all. If you don't have a Google account, you're going to click use another account and then you're going to type in your email, whatever email you use, whether it's Yahoo or Outlook, I don't know. So then you can do that. And then you create a password and all that stuff. You might have to verify from your email account and do that, but it's pretty simple if you have to do that. There's really no hassle in it. It's just like signing up for any account anywhere else. Because I already have a Google account, I'm just going to click on this, type in my password, click next, and it synced. So that's how simple and easy it is if you have a Gmail account already, a Google account. It's super, super easy. So now I'm going to show you guys how to upload videos. So you come over here to this little video camera with the plus sign and it says create a video and more. So I'm going to click on that and I'm going to click on upload video because I don't want to do it live. You can do it live if you want to, but I don't want, I make too many mistakes. And then you select file and it'll take me to my files. So I'm going to click on a video that I have made. So I'm going to click on this one, open. And there you go. So you type in your title. You can add a description if you want. I don't ever usually do that. So one thing when you're scrolling down is you need to click on yes, it's made for kids because it limits the people who can see it. And then you click next. Maybe it'll let me. Look at my little video recorder's in the way. Okay, so we click next. And then we click next again. And then if you don't want to become YouTube famous, this is really important because I know that I don't like to become YouTube. I don't want to be YouTube famous by the end of this virtual school. You click unlisted when you upload. It says anyone with the video link can see your video. Nobody else can. It will not be on the YouTube sphere for anyone else to view you. So you click on unlisted and only the people with the link can see your video. And then I'm going to click save. It doesn't want to upload it for some reason today. Oh, okay, because it's already, I already uploaded this video to YouTube last night. So anyway, it'll publish it and do all that stuff. So I'm gonna go out. And so this is what you'll see once you upload a video. So obviously that video didn't work because I have it already right here down here. So I want to show you guys what you're going to do to embed it once you're on your own little YouTube channel. So you just click, this is a video I made earlier that I was showing you guys. So I'm going to click on that video. I'm going to click on here. Okay, so this is the video that I made, and I think I showed you guys already this, but I want to show you guys again just in case. And you click share, and then you click embed, and then you copy it, and then you paste it into Schoology. And I showed you guys that already in the other video on how to do that. So yeah, that's basically all you have to do. Just create your little videos on your computer, upload them to YouTube, and embed them. It makes it super easy for your kids to use. Um, and it's super easy for you to use. If you have any trouble at all with anything, please call me, email me. I will be here to help you guys. So just let me know anything that you guys need with creating videos and uploading videos. So just let me know. All right, I'll see you guys later.